the
Da.
Yo, bro, this is death.
This death, bruh. Hey. Oh my god. Oh! Damn.
Dog fight.
That dog is strong, bruh. Dog fight, bruh. This is to death, bruh. It's called the brown one, eh? Yeah, bruh. The brown one is a pussy as big as it is. It's big. Move, bruh. I'm going quickly. Move, bruh. Go ahead.
Don't go, bro. You gonna bite them, bro.
Yeah, don't disturb them, bruh.
Bro, good.
They are all tired now.
Oh, the white one is bleeding.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, let them fight me, bro.
Kevin, get out, bro.
Kelvin, they are all now tired. Just leave them.
Get out there, bro. Kevin. Oh, got fucked by dog there, bro. Get out.
Hey, show who's boss. Oh, you're falling. This dog is stupid, ne?
Oh, yeah.
He's looking at you too much.
Yeah, bro. He's looking at you.
Yeah, check. They are all tired.
Aye, but the white one is bleeding, bro.
They're all bleeding.
What happened?
Aye, they're all bleeding.
Yalla, Black, give me that stick. Hold this.
Aye,
Leave, bro.
Leave them.
Hold me, bro.
Oh.
Okay.
Hold.
Okay.
Oh, check the nigga. Come on, Superman. Bro, you close the door, bro. Those nigga will come run here.
Yeah.
Kevin. Superman, Kevin.
The white one is waiting for it, bro.
Just come here.
Where's that brown dog from, bro? It's from this house.
From that house there, bro. Okay.
I prevent those fights. That guy. That
Boss, bro.
Right?
Let's go, bro. Kelvin, check.
What?
Till it will go back. Just wait and see.
It will go back.
Rest now.
Yeah, oh, in there.
Yalla.
Yeah, oh, in
Where is it? Eh? Masaikili.
Leave, bro. I'm out. I'm out, bro.
Till it will just come back.
Yeah, it's the craziest vine. So them dogs fighting.
Nah.
Yeah. Yeah. Fox promoting dogs fight in our country.
Nah.
Yeah, promoting dog fights in our country.
Kelvin, check. It will still. I'm waiting first time.
Hey, I'm going to post this on the Namibian police. You boys are making dogs fight. Hey, they still want to fight.
Oh, yo.
Oh, the white dog likes fighting, bro. The bone.
They will fight.
Wow, the brown dog is a pussy, bro.
Lost his tooth.
Brown dog is a
They are
pussy.
fighting for this one, man.
Oh, yeah.
Fighting for the pussy, man.
Yeah, show them that you're boss. They're fighting for you.
Nah. That dog's a gangster.
Who's the other one, bro?
That dog is gangster, bro. It killed the other one. Let's go check what's happening.
That dog. The other one is dying there.
Ah, yeah.
The other dog is. Oh shit, man, guys. Coming off foot. What the fuck? Dog came running, bro. What the oh shit, man, nigga.
Ah, yeah, bro. It can't bite us. This white one will protect us. It's gangster. It's a real nigga. Check, they're just here.
Let's go.
Yeah. Thanks for the vine, guys. Oh,
They will fight.